In a world with smartphones, satellites, and Google Maps, you'd think we've explored every single inch of the planet, right? Wrong. Deep within the most remote parts of the Amazon rainforest, there are still entire tribes of people who have never had contact with the outside world. These people are living completely isolated from modern society, just as their ancestors did thousands of years ago. Can you imagine living your whole life without ever seeing a machine? And then a giant metal bird flies over your house? A simple cold, something we get over in a week, could literally wipe out an entire tribe because they have zero immunity. This is why the official policy of governments is to leave them alone, to protect them from a world they don't even know exists.